If you've lost access to your Searchspring account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process smoothly. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the Searchspring login page on your web browser. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In to begin the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Searchspring account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a recovery email from Searchspring. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log into your account. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your Searchspring account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Searchspring's customer support for further assistance.